Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Okay, so today I'll be telling you guys the 3 important hashtags you need to be using, especially if you're a new YouTuber. Okay, as a new YouTuber, many of you are ignoring these hashtags, and that is where all the mistake is coming from. Okay, as a new YouTuber, you need to use these hashtags now I'm going to mention in this video, because these hashtags will make YouTube push your videos, will make YouTube recommend your videos. Okay, so please listen and watch attentively. And number 1 of this hashtag is the micro trend hashtag. You know what, many of you people use this type of hashtag. Let's say for instance, hashtag YouTube, hashtag viral, hashtag go viral. Oh my god, no, your content, your videos will get buried with those type of hashtags. The kind of hashtag you're supposed to be using is the kind of hashtag that will make YouTube understand your channel. Okay, understand the kind of content you're making. Okay, and this type of hashtags are something like, okay, let's say for instance you're a YouTube growth coach like me. You can put something like hashtag YouTube growth 2026, hashtag faceless channel ideas, and all those kind of hashtags. You will see that YouTube will be able to understand where you're coming from, will be able to understand your channel very well, and will know how to recommend, where to recommend your videos, or the kind of audience that will love to see your kind of videos. Okay, then number two is the niche authority hashtag. This is a very important hashtag that many of you people need to start using. Okay, an example of this hashtag is, for instance, let's say you are also a YouTube growth coach like me. You can use something like hashtag grow on YouTube. Okay, hashtag content creator ideas, you know, all those kind of things, and you will see YouTube will, you understand your kind of content. YouTube will know that you have authority in this niche. YouTube will know that this your channel is all about this niche, so you will see that YouTube will know where to push your videos to. Okay, it will help this particular hashtag will make the algorithm not to be confused. Okay, the algorithm will know that, okay, this channel is a straightforward channel, and this channel talks about this niche. Okay, this channel is all about this particular niche, and you will see progress in your videos. Okay, then the last but not the least, the most powerful hashtag you need to use is the first viral hashtag. Yes, I repeat, the first viral hashtag. Very important, because this particular very powerful hashtag, because this particular hashtag now is combined with emotions, curiosity, and trend. Okay, these particular hashtags keep people curious, okay, about what your video is about. Okay, so I'll give you an example of these hashtags. One is hashtag this will blow up. Okay, hashtag don't miss this video. Okay, you know, something that will keep you curious, something that will make people want to like watch your videos. Okay, and this type of hashtag increases watch time in your videos. Okay, and there are a lot of click-throughs in this if you use this type of hashtags. Okay, it's very nice, and when you use this type of hashtag, this type of powerful hashtag, YouTube will push your videos, and you will keep getting thousands of views. Okay, because this particular hashtag, this last one now, is very powerful and a very interesting hashtag. Okay, another thing is, you don't have to overuse these 3 hashtags that I mentioned. You don't have to use them too much. You can use 1 of the micro trend hashtag, 2 of the niche authority hashtag, and 3 of the first viral hashtag. You can just, you know, like a formula, you can just combine them. Okay, you can combine these hashtags together and post your video, and you're going to see progress. Okay, you're going to see improvement in your channel. Okay, YouTube will keep pushing and pushing your videos, and your channel will do well. Okay, I guarantee you that. Okay, so if you want more tips and more ideas on how to grow on YouTube, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.